If there's one trading strategy I could use to go from quitting my day job to buying a new Lamborghini and living the best life, it is this one that I'm going to give you today. It's simple and powerful. Most people try to use complicated strategies thinking using complicated strategies will actually make them more money, but from my experience, the easier the strategy is, the more powerful it will actually is. Like this one, you only use this actual box to make up to $3,000, and by the end of this video, you actually know how to use this actual strategy starting tomorrow and start to make money when the market is going down and also when the market is going up. This trading strategy is called the box strategy. So first, what you do, you draw a box from the high of this actual day to the low of this actual day. Since you now have this box, what you're using this box is for when the market is going up, when it's close to the high of the box or starting to go above this actual box, you don't buy, you only look to find sell trades. Then when the pair that you're trading is going close to the low of the box or it's at the low of the box or slightly below the low of the box, you don't look to sell, but you look for buy trades. So then you mark the high and the low of this actual box. So on the following day, you can actually see that the market started by going up close to the high of the box, and when it's close to the high of the box and it started to reject this actual high, this tells you that the market is about to go down. So this way you look to enter sell trades and make money when the market starts to go down. Now also look at this pair is going from the high of the box to this actual low of the box. You can actually see after forming a big red candle, most people would think that the market will continue going down, but it actually came back in and started to bounce exactly on the low of this actual box just before it started to go up. When you see the market bouncing several times at a level, this actually shows you how strong this actual level is, because the market is failing to break it down, but it's actually pushing it up. The main reason why we look for sell trades at the high of the box is because at the high of this actual box, this actually tells you that there are big sellers that were pushing the market down. That is why this actual high was formed on this actual day. Also, there's the same thing for the low of this actual box. This actual level where big buyers came in and pushed the market all the way to the top. So that is why you actually have this actual low. So the next time that you see the market coming close to this actual high, those big sellers that push the market down will also be ready to actually push the market down again. So even though these sellers were strong and pushed the market down with this big red candle, you can actually see that the buyers which were down here were actually fighting very strong to push the market up, and this is why at the end of the day the market actually pushed up. This actually happens each and every day. So with this actual strategy, you can start to apply it starting tomorrow. As you can see, if you go to the previous day, you can actually see this is the low of the day, and you also have this actual level at the high of the day. Now, if you go to the following day, you can actually see where this actual reversal happened. It actually happened right around the high of the previous day. And now, if you actually go to this previous day, you can see this is the high of this actual day. And now, if you go on to this actual day, where you see that the market is being pushed down very strong, look where it actually turned exactly at this actual level, which is the same where the buyers are strong and also pushing the market up. You can actually continue going back testing, looking at the previous lows that you see right here and pushing horizontal line. You actually see that on the following day, the market will actually come to the low of this actual box and start to push up, or it will go to the high of the day and then start to push down. And then for you to actually know when exactly you're going to be entering the sell trades, this is a powerful moving average with the period, 9 method, exponential, apply to close and color black. With this now, trading becomes much easier. So you can see with a high right here, and then on the following day, you start to see the market going to this actual level. So you're looking at this 9 EMA. What you're waiting for is for a close of a candle below this actual 9 EMA, which happened right around here, to actually show you that the market is ready to start to go down. There is also the same thing that I actually looked for when I'm entering on this actual trade. When I saw that the candles were now closing below the 9 EMA and started to reject this actual level, I entered with the big lot size and made $3,000 with this simple but powerful trading strategy. And to make it much easier, the broker that I use with this actual strategy is in the video description. It will actually allow you to enter as many trades as you want, so that you can actually grow any small trading account into big profits very fast. If I want to show you live trades, how I actually enter step by step this actual trades, the losses I use, and and everything. Let's get this video to 50 likes and I'll show you everything. Once you see everything, you never take signals again, because you now know when exactly to enter and also when exactly to exit growing small forex accounts into big amounts quickly. But even though with everything that I given you today, you will still be able to win trade after trade. So go apply this as your strategy starting tomorrow and start to see results. Come back to this video and comment below how much you made and also how profitable you are using this actual trading strategy. This is Mobile Forex. See you on the next video.